Confession time. When ChatGPT first dropped, I was underwhelmed. Fast forward to today, and it is now my second brain. It's powering everything from my marketing business to my work on the Nevada State Board of Education. It's safe to say that I'm obsessed. Whether you are brand new to AI or you think that you're using it pretty well, spoiler, you're probably not, you are in the right place. I'm Danielle Ford. Today I'm breaking down what ChatGPT actually is, why everyone's talking about it, and how it can become your creative sidekick. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently explain ChatGPT at brunch, and you will save yourself hours of busy work. All right, first, what is ChatGPT? Let's keep it simple. ChatGPT is basically an artificial intelligence chatbot that was developed by OpenAI. Think of it as a super smart computer program that you can chat with, and it's less terrifying than it sounds. You give it questions, you give it prompts, and then it spits out answers that legit leaves you thinking like, did a robot really write this? Behind the scenes, it's running on an LLM, which is a large language model. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That is just a fancy way of saying that it is trained on a ton of text and it learns patterns. You do not need to memorize any of that to use it. What matters is that ChatGPT has read pretty much the entire internet, and it uses that knowledge to have conversations, write things, and answer your questions. I know it sounds like absolute science fiction, but that is the world that we're living in. Welcome to 2025. In just over a year, ChatGPT went from unknown to hundreds of millions of users. It hit around 400 million weekly users by early 2025. It's not just a geeky trend anymore. It's what people are using at work, in classrooms, and in everyday life. So why should you care about ChatGPT? Well, because if you are a creator, an educator, or an entrepreneur, it might just become your BFF, your best functional friend. Here are a few examples. Are you a content creator? Okay, imagine having a brainstorming buddy 24/7. If you're stuck on YouTube video ideas or struggling to write a script, just toss your thoughts into ChatGPT and it will crank out 10 fresh title ideas or even a rough draft for you in seconds. No more staring at a blank page trying to figure out how to transfer what's in your brain. Educators, this was made for you. ChatGPT can help simplify complex topics for your students, summarize instructions, generate quiz questions, draft lesson plans, even help you with your reports. It is like having a teaching assistant who never sleeps. Entrepreneurs and business owners, the opportunities are endless. If you need a snappy product description, an outline for a business plan, operating procedures, some marketing copy, ChatGPT's got you. It can even role play as your customer so that you can practice delivering your sales pitch and overcoming objections without the awkwardness. And it's not just work stuff. You can just vibe with it or ask it to explain things to you. Personally, I love asking ChatGPT for analogies like, ChatGPT, can you explain quantum physics but in cat lady terms? And it will, with accurate and often hilarious results. Mr. Whiskers, he's on the couch and not on the couch at the same time. Psh. Quantum tunneling, my goodness. Quantum physics, it's just hurting invisible teleporting cats. See, I'm telling you, it is like having an idea factory and a problem solver at your disposal. Now, if you tried ChatGPT and you got results that were meh at best, there's a reason for that. Here's a not so pro tip. The magic that you can get out of ChatGPT depends on how you use it. If you give it garbage, it will give you garbage right back. If you just type, write me a blog post about my product, you're going to get a pretty generic nothing burger blog. That's because as crazy powerful as ChatGPT is, it's not a mind reader. Think of it like a super smart, hardworking, brand new employee. If you give it clear instructions and enough context, it delivers absolute gold. Here's the thing. A lot of people think that they've been using AI because now they are shifting their questions into ChatGPT instead of Google. Meanwhile, I'm over here having it organize 20 years of my messy notes, critique my work back to me in my voice, even catch really important things that I overlooked. And I can do that all because I learned how to talk to it. And once you do, it's a total game changer. True story. During a recent Nevada State Board of Education meeting, I had ChatGPT dissect a proposed statewide student assessment contract on the spot. In under 30 seconds, it read through the entire thing, gave me a list of reasons to reject it, pointed out questions for our attorney, and gave me a side-by-side comparison of smarter options that other states are already doing. Like, literally, I used ChatGPT the entire time live during my state board meetings. I'll show you that. Instead of asking, which company should we buy from? The better question is, what do we want to know about student learning and how do we empower educators and communities to measure it? Is the NRS that we must buy something? Like, I keep on hearing, you must put in an RFQ. Like, what if we don't buy something and we build something instead or create something?
It just says select or prescribe. So yeah, this body could, if they wanted to create that thing, it probably could. There's no requirement that it is a purchase. It's just that this body has to select the uniform exam.
We have access to 30,000 plus educators. We have access to Vegas PBS technology. We have AI that is just incredible now, and it's going to, keep getting more incredible. We have the ability to build the thing that communities have been telling us that they want, teacher-led assessments and, diagnostic basically of students instead of ed tech companies. My biggest frustration with ChatGPT, which is a good problem to have, is that every time that I think I've figured it out, that I'm using it to its full extent, it levels up again. I'm telling you, this is not just a chat bot that writes stuff for you. It is just so much more. ChatGPT can see images, it can speak out loud, even browse the web for you. Like, it can literally go online, read articles, think through it, explain its thinking to you, and then sum it all up and deliver that information to you tied up with a little bow. And you determine that depth, whether you just need a quick swoop of Google or you want it to spend 15 minutes plus doing deep research, scouring the trenches of the interwebs and turning over every rock. It is so wild. And there's more. My favorite is that OpenAI recently added projects. Projects lets you organize your chats and your files like it's your AI project manager. It's perfect for those of us who are juggling multiple interests and 20 ideas at once. You can even create custom GPTs. In plain English, that means that you can make personalized versions of ChatGPT, tuned to specific tasks or your own style. Think of it like building your own AI mini assistant that's trained with the exact processes and expertise that you want it to have. For example, I built a custom GPT that will help you discover your brand voice and then deliver the finalized, personalized document to you. Trust me, it is very cool. You can take it for a spin. You can use it as many times as you want. You can use it to train ChatGPT on your voice. It is all yours. It is my gift to you. But don't worry if you're not ready to dive into all that yet. It's important to first understand the basics of ChatGPT. But I wanted you to know that this rabbit hole goes deep. We'll go more into the cool features, projects, custom GPTs, deep research, etc. in upcoming videos. So click subscribe really quick so that you don't miss them. Now, we're keeping this pretty beginner friendly, but if you're already thinking like, yes, I would like ChatGPT to do all of those things. You basically clone my style and my voice, organize my brain, but how do I actually do all of that? Well, funny you should ask. That just happens to be my zone of genius. In fact, I have a whole workshop called Train ChatGPT to Think Like You, where in under an hour, you will learn how to do exactly that. You will be able to teach AI how to write, think, research, and organize info just like you would. It's hands-on and it's no extra fluff. If you've ever wished that you could just copy and paste your brain, then this is for you. Seriously, I have seen how much faster and happier it makes creators and entrepreneurs when they have an AI that actually gets them. So if that is something that you want, I will drop the details of the workshop in the comments and description. No pressure, there is much more ChatGPT content coming. So make sure that you, what is it the kids are saying these days? Smash that subscribe button. All right, let's wrap up with a recap. What is ChatGPT? It's like your new AI sidekick, one that can chat with you, write, brainstorm, and problem solve on demand. Whether you're crafting a lesson plan, whipping up a business strategy, or editing your next viral video, ChatGPT is there to make it easier and more fun. The key is knowing how to speak its language, and you will get there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so that more people can discover it. Again, just clickety-click that subscribe button because this is just the first part of our AI adventure. We've got custom GPTs, deep research, and all of that good stuff on the way. Oh, and I'm curious, what is the first thing or the next thing that you're going to do with ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to grab that brand voice GPT, you can do so in the links below, down there. It's somewhere down there. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to the future. Smash that subscribe button. I am such a nerd. Okay.